Hello, my name is Chris, and today we're going to talk about blade sharpening. As we all know, dull blades make for some long days out there in the landscaping world. First, we're going to make sure that we have our safety gear. We have our safety glasses. Probably should wear a bib, but I've been working all day, and it's kind of a long day today, and realized I need to sharpen my blade, so we're going to get to it. Have my safety glasses on. Turn my machine on. And then we're going to get to it. Make sure that your blades are going on straight so you don't wear the wheel out. You want to keep the same angle so you get a nice That's pretty sharp. It's got a little shine on it. I like to come from underneath a little bit to kind of make it like a slicing blade so it cuts the blades of grass instead of tears at them. Yeah, she's about as sharp as my pocket knife, which is pretty sharp. Do the other side of it. I like to run it down even. One more time on this side. Now we'll go to the next one. I've got a 44-inch mower, so of course I'm going to have 3 blades. It's a perfect mower when you're wanting to get those nice classy stripes and so much. But the most important thing is making sure these blades are sharp. Get a nice clean cut. I have about 29 properties right now, which 22 of them are commercial. So we want to make sure that we do a good job when we're on those properties and make sure they're best on the block. Pretty sharp. Now I've got a skill grinder here. I've had a Craftsman before. Craftsman's good if you're just doing it every now and again, but I want to get something a little bit better. Last longer because I have to sharpen my blades about once a week, so I keep my properties looking sharp. A lot of sparks there, but it's needed. Always use the rough side of the grinder. So I'm cutting down this steel. Oh yeah, that's sharp. This one's not as sharp as that side. Yeah, there it is. And then before we take the glasses off, we make sure we shut our machine off. A little swig of some cold frosty brew there. Well deserved after a long, honest day of work. I will set these down and pull my glasses off. I'm Chris with Lighthouse Landscape and Lawn Care. That's how you sharpen blades, nothing to it.